Wow, that is bright as fuck for a video. Anyways, I'm back in my trailer. Yeah, I know that still hasn't grown back in, but now I'm going back to the back rooms. See, the back rooms. Now that's look, dude. That is sketchy room. Fuck. Okay, well, you know that is more sketchier than fuck. What is that? Like a fire? Is that a fire? Yeah, I mean, we got that and the puke and everything else, but that's pretty more sketched up. I don't know. Fucking back rooms, huh? Well, I'm not going back in that shit, but, you know, I gotta have some fresh air in this bitch. I got... Oh, I gotta smoke this up. Gotta get that fresh air, right? But yeah, I mean, that's back rooms. I don't know. Shit, man. Like, fuck that. Well, do you want to go in those back rooms? That's a whole universe right there, bro. Fuck that. Would you want to go in there? Would you want